See that bright brain full of activity? That's a healthy 18-year-old brain. Mine is the other one, 55 years old and getting dimmer all the time. I had a million excuses for my fogginess. I was just tired, distracted, having a moment, whatever that means. But the truth is, I was scared as hell about what was happening to me. What else would I lose mentally? Where would my mind end up? Then, something happened that changed everything. I found the way to open up my brain and feel the rush of limitless possibilities. What it's called is Organifi Pure. What it does is unbelievable. The compounds inside are backed by neuroscientists, health experts, and hundreds of research studies. So what exactly were these compounds doing that was lighting up my brain? Helping me to see things, think things I thought I'd lost? It came down to 4 little letters, BDNF. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. Neither did I. Brain-derived neurotropic factor is a naturally occurring protein, and it's vital for making new brain cells. That's right, you can develop new brain cells. BDNF decreases with age, which can cause cognitive decline. What I called fogginess was really a BDNF deficiency. And it's exactly what Organifi Pure helped me fix. Inside this glass is a compound called neurofactor, which has been shown by multiple clinical trials to improve BDNF as much as 206%. This is how I unlocked my full potential, how I went from decline to the best I've ever been. And you can feel it too. Go to Organifi.com now and try Pure for yourself for 60 days risk-free. Plus, you get the support of tens of thousands of other Pure customers, strengthening their brains right along with you. Don't decline another day. Go to Organifi Pure with a full 60-day satisfaction guarantee. Don't forget, go to Organifi.com now.